Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is comparing numbers. In this lesson, we will learn about compare numbers. Compare number with bigger numbers to the lowest value of numbers. Student, if you want to view my all video, please subscribe my channel. Press the subscribe button and press the bell icon and select the all option. Comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. Signs are used to compare numbers. Less than, greater than, and equal. The open side of arrow. The open side of arrow points towards the bigger number. Points towards the bigger number. Then we say it is the greater. The back side of arrow points toward less than, and it's the equal symbol. The open side of arrow look like a crocodile face. The open side of arrow point toward the crocodile face. Point toward the crocodile face. Crocodile open its face mouth when bigger value is come. Crocodile open its mouth when bigger value is come. When bigger value is come. It open its face when bigger value is come. It's open its face when 5 is come. We ignore 4. 4 less than 5. Crocodile want to eat 5 because it is bigger. The open side of face points toward greater value. The back side points that it is the less than. 4 less than 5. 4 less than 5. Now we want to compare value 9, 19. Crocodile open its mouth when bigger value is come. When bigger value is come. Suppose it's a crocodile mouth. Crocodile want to eat bigger value. Bigger value is 19. Small, the open side of greater sign point toward greater value. 9 is less than 19. 19 greater. The open side denote greater. Open side greater. Back side of arrow less than. Compare this value. 1 equal to 1. 1 equal to 1. Student, there is two values 365, 368. We compare the digits in the hundred place, then tens, and finally units, and finally units. First of all, we compare the value in hundred place. First value 300. First value 300. In the hundred place, tens, 6 and 6. We compare 6 and 6 equal. Unit place 5, 8. 5, 8. 8 is greater 5. 8 is greater 5. Now 368 is greater 5. Now we write 368 greater 365. In tens place 6, 69, 43. 4, 6. 6 greater 4. In tens 9 greater 3. Now we write 69 greater 43. The open side of arrow points towards value is greater. This value is less than. Unit 10, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. The value in 10,000 place is same. The value in 1000 place is same. The value is 100 place is same. The value is 10th place is same, but unit 3 is greater 2. 3 greater 2. Now we write 4, 1, 2, 6, 3 in the 3 unit place. 3 is greater 2. I hope you will understand the topic of comparing numbers. I hope you will understand the greater sign, less than sign and equal sign. वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें और प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब के बटन को प्रेस करें.